I say what's up to the channel, man. So what's up with the channel?
What's up, bro?
Doing all right.
Man, we riding today.
Man, we got this thing running, man.
When you get kind of like just a little bit right there, kind of slow down, then hit it.
Yeah. Store nigga. Two-time. Haha. Storm.
Yes!
Yeah, we rolling. In them Chevys.
You free, right?
Yeah, we rolling. In them Chevys. Yeah. That pink box Chevy. That blue box Chevy. That white box Chevy. Yeah, you know we heavy. Yeah, you know we heavy. Got that pink box Chevy. That blue box Chevy. That white box Chevy. Yeah, you know we heavy.
Curl on the side.
Yeah, you know we heavy. Yeah. Hey, I say I be pulling up in these cities.
What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Dork, man. Y'all tuning into another video today, guys. Man, here and there, everywhere. You know what I'm saying, man? Today, man, we're gonna be selling a starter. Got a guy that's interested in a starter, that Minotaur starter I got for sale. We finna go pull up on him. We actually driving a dump. We finna go sell the starter, and also today we're going to my buddy house, check out his cars and stuff like that. Then when we get back, man, we're gonna watch the box shipping, man. Y'all stay tuned to the channel, man. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If you're not, hit that like button, man. Let's enjoy this video, man. Let's get it. What it do, guys? The tie shine on here. What the fuck? Ain't that some BS? God damn, whole top fell out that bitch. I heard this some good kind. So we finna find out and see. Boy, you gotta get up there on that. Can't get in there, boy. That's how you know you squat. My boy, what's up with it, man? Man, you gotta say what's up to the channel, man. Say what's up with the channel.
What's up, bro?
Doing all right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah, man, I'm out here, vlogging and stuff. What you think, man? What you think? You like? Hey, I couldn't find them boats, but I mean they're gonna be cheap at the store, probably.
Like, if you only got one, I say that, then
If I had to just find it and then just bring it to you.
Sports store right now.
Yeah.
You gotta get one of this size.
Yeah, you can do it like that. On this side, man. Man, we waiting on you to put yours together, man. Yeah, we waiting on you to put yours together now. How you doing? Yeah, I gotta sell them starter. Let me wipe it off.
I gotta get some help, man. See, I work. Boy, I got mine set up. Man, I got square per gram. I ain't got no concrete.
Oh, so it's a little hard. Yeah. I was gonna say, man, we got this thing running, man. That motherfucker running too, boy. I ain't skipped a beat. Yeah. Now I just put some of this down. Tie shine, it's trying to hold. You know what I'm saying? Over here, man, we just doing a little motor shit. Get everything situated. Hell yeah. Drove the dump today, guys. So I drove like 45, really 40 minutes. Been driving about 40 minutes, testing it out. Make sure my tire good. The arm probably do work. Okay. Everybody telling me to leave them skirts on. I said, man, let me rock it like this for a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Let me rock it without the skirts real quick, guys. Y'all know I'm trying to get things situated. We'll pop with the skirts later. This thing situated, man. Hell yeah.
All my niggas be coming in pop, shooting up shit, you would think a fucking rock. Gotta come down, money falling on my pocket. All shit stop, shoot, nigga gotta stop. They be looking like, damn, what the fuck you be doing? I be looking right back at a nigga, man, you business. Now serious, man, I be getting a fucking business. You can research my name, they gon' say I'm about business. Straight pop, nigga, I already know I be pop that shit. I be saying, nigga, no, I ain't fly. Got a whole bunch of cash, yeah, I read under the wallet, but I can't carry that shit. My wife told me stop, you can flex on your nigga back then, it was crazy. I'm still flexing on your nigga, man, that shit is crazy. Me when I look bad, man, that shit amazing. But now they be looking at me like I'm hating, yo. Hey, what's poppin', yo? Hey, what's poppin', yo? Hey, what's poppin', yo? Hey, what's poppin', yo? Yeah, what's poppin', yo? Yeah, what's poppin', yo? What's poppin', yo? Yeah, what's poppin', yo? Hey, 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 nigga, what's poppin', yo? Hey, what's poppin', yo? Hey, nigga, what's poppin', yo? Got a motherfucking 86 Chevy, got another one, 284, that's my baby. Got my 30s on the beat, oh yeah, I had them ace on. I took them bitch off, cause nigga was hating on. So now you all feel like you just put yourself in the middle, but I know love everybody around you, but you don't know who to go to, don't even know who to point to. You don't even know who to point to. You don't even know. But all I know is love. Yeah. Love is pain. Yeah. Pain. But I know love is pain. Pain. Today is the day is gonna be, sometimes I be thinking about giving up, but I can't give up, I gotta go, man, I gotta go and move on, gotta go the other way, gotta move on, yeah, today gonna be up, today gonna be a change up, man, I'm changing up everything, gotta move niggas out my circle, everything, I don't need a thing, man, these niggas lame, I see it every day, kept blindfold on my eye, I don't see a thing, but you can show love to them, but you ain't gonna get it in return, they'll wait till you fall and they turn, that's why love is pain, but I don't give a fuck, it's not my concern. These niggas, they be wanna hear your back, but at the same time, you know they gonna rant, and you can't even worry about that, but at the same time, they supposed to have your back. Sometimes you gotta see the vision, you gotta get up and listen, man,
this shit hit different. When they with you, they hit your back, now forgive them. Nah, fuck them, cause I don't even fucking love them. You can't even trust them, that's why I call them suckers. That's my mama, man, she know who's a buster. I'm like, fuck them, I hope them niggas be on crutches. You fucking suckers, man, you do dirt on my name, you threw it on me. I had to catch it, I ain't had no fucking choice but to catch it. It hurt me, that's why I flex on purpose. I got a fucking purpose, gotta move the other way, cause standing on no love.
Guys, guess what day is, man? Y'all see it. Boom. Finally, man. But let's just hope this is the present. This is the thing I've been looking for, you know what I'm saying? But supposedly, matter of fact, I ain't gonna tell y'all. I want y'all to see. I want y'all to see real quick. I just got it. Y'all see how dark it is, man? The UPS man, he parked over there. Next thing you know, he parked right here. I start jumping up. I'm like, okay. That's what I'm talking about. So we hope this is what it is. Wow. Guys, we have the Hornets. Is everything good? Okay. Just make sure you got the right injectors. Let me put this jacket on. Okay, told them what type of, okay, what we got here. We have, it might be a mass airflow, temp. This is the 4L60 hookup. What else this is? This might be an alternator. Okay. Now the injectors, I told him I got the, okay, these the O2 sensors. The injectors, yep. We got the right injectors, y'all. We got the Motec injectors. Yeah, we got the Motec injectors. We got the bank. We got the 2 wires, fuse 1, fuse 2. We got the 2 wires for the alternator. We got the ground here. Yeah, so we good, guys. We got the OBD2 port. I'm gonna do this coming here. I don't know what this is, but I'm gonna keep it. Man, let's go, man. We wanna hook this up tonight. I promise you, I feel like I wanna fire this bad boy tonight. This is the fuse box. This is, it's actually come with 2. They got the fuse box and they got a relay area. And let's go nationwide here. So, yep, man, we good, guys. So, we got the screws for the computer. We got some more pins. Now, this is the only thing. We got some extra pins. So, hope I don't gotta pin anything like my fuel pump and stuff. Hope I don't gotta pin nothing, but it's on seats. I'm gonna make sure, man. Body gauge push. Like I said, we're gonna look at this stuff tomorrow to make sure we ain't gotta pin nothing. Cause I don't wanna have to add any wires. But if I do, I know how to do it, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, these are instructions. They come with instructions as well. And then it also tell me which one Okay, it got like pink, light blue, pink and white, and they tell me which one's the injectors and all that stuff. So it's good because the other Hornets, the eBay Hornets, didn't tell me all that. Okay, so right here, they got the fan, dark blue, coolant fan. Oh, that's the power wire for the coolant fan. Okay, volt switch power, so that's for the fan part. Then the relay part, switch to a constant power for fuel pump. Okay, so I will have to run that wire, and I got that wire to my fuel pump, but that's what they're paying for. I can do that. And then, oh, I thought she turned this off. Oh, so I got this one running to fuel pump, to switch or constant for fuel pump. So that means I will need to wire power to that relay for that fuel pump to cut on. Okay, ignition wire to keep on and crank. Ignition wire to keep on and crank. So I wanted that stuff. Okay, so this is this one. So, like I said, we're gonna look into it, guys. I kind of know how to do it now, but just in case, if some don't go on there, it'll show me where to hook it up at. So, we good on that part, man. So we're super excited. Get back in the house. We're super excited. We finally got the Hornets, man. Definitely excited, guys. So this is and I didn't go with the BP Hornets this time. You know, it was like $560. I didn't go with their Hornets. At first I went with the eBay Hornet. It was like $80 or something. But I paid $299, right at $300. I paid what, $330 for this one. But like I said, they got them pinned already, and this gonna go to the ignition. But the one right here, it's a little pin. I don't know if y'all can see it, but this pin right here, that's gonna go to something. It's gonna tell me where it's gonna go to. And I think the rest of them should be pinned. Like one of them gonna be fuel pump, this one's gonna be some, but it's already got the power to it, and then this gonna go to the power. So that's a good thing. So yeah, guys, we're gonna see. We're gonna see, man. So what we'll do, we'll probably come out here tomorrow, man. So there'll be a whole nother video. Definitely appreciate y'all for watching, man. If y'all made it this far through the video, I thank y'all for watching, man. And like I said, I just wanted to put my little music and stuff out there to promote it at the end of the day and kind of show y'all, the ones that don't know, that I do, you know, make music. So I wanted to do that, guys. So thank y'all, man. I hope y'all have a blessed day. Like I said, catch us tomorrow. Y'all just stay tuned. We'll get this thing taken care of, man. And yeah, man, so finally here, man. And hey, that's crazy because we just watched it, so we all good, man. So hopefully by next week, my birthday on the 14th, so hopefully next week, man, we can be taking the thing to a exhaust shop, man. Y'all bullshit. While y'all bullshit, I been riding them motherfucking scooter. Goddamn sponsor, goddamn. All with a Kroger. Been riding this scooter. YouTube, what's good, man? It's your boy Wont. Tuning in to another video, man. I don't know if y'all can see me. What's good with YouTube? Back with another video. Today, guys, we are doing another swap, man. But this time, this is my first customer. So we actually trying to go pick up the motor now from his spot. And then we'll be, you know what I'm saying, getting it done. But if I can just go on and get the motor now, man, take it home and break it down, you know what I'm saying, in the morning, I'll be done with it. This car gonna actually be a 73 Don't, but it's gonna be the 4-door. I tried to buy it a couple years back, but good thing he won't, you know, he's not gonna let it go, so that's a good thing. But yeah, man, like I said, I know it's dark right now, man. We'll just catch y'all back in the morning, and we'll see how this stuff it'll go. So we'll catch y'all back. YouTube, what it do, what it do? Man, we just made it home, guys. It's been a busy, busy day. Also, these is like what I can say. Man, we just been dropping these videos, you know what I'm saying? So what y'all see today is one of them videos where I'm on it, I'm moving, I'm working, you know what I'm saying? But we're gonna check this out. We got the small trailer. We just went in the back and get it. Got the motor horse. We wanted to pick this 5.3 up, man. This the motor that's going in a dump. So this is going in a 73 photo dump, guys. We just picked it up today. Look like we got a stud right here that need to be drilled out. We need a starter. We're gonna take this AC stuff off. We'll take that old AC belt off. We gotta get a water pump too, cause this broke right here. So we're gonna have to change the water pump out. We're gonna have to thermostat. We're gonna have to put a thermostat in there. I guess they ain't put no thermostat, but we're gonna have to put a thermostat in. We're gonna take all this stuff off as well. We're gonna break the motor down, clean it. Y'all know how I do. We're gonna do my thing to it. It ain't come with no flywheel, but we're gonna order the one that goes to the 400 transmission. I'm also about to cover it up real quick. I just want to come out here. This little rain ain't gonna hurt, but this is the drive-by cable, so y'all can see. So we're gonna have to take the intake and stuff off. Let's see. Yeah, we're gonna have to take the intake off. We're gonna take the throttle bot off. We're gonna clean all that. Also, right here is the fuel lines, but they cut them. You know, they cut the hose. 3/8 and a 5/16. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to, I don't know, I'm gonna try to run some hose. I'm gonna try to turn this on the opposite side like I did, you know what I'm saying, the other thing. I'm just gonna have to fabricate some stuff on here. He gonna need a new one of these. That one about messed up, but I got one. So we'll replace that. Got the hose on the back for that. So yeah, we're gonna take these off. We're gonna put some headers on. Take these harness off. And like I said, we're not gonna use this harness. Even though this is a harness we can use, but we're gonna get another one because ain't no telling what's wrong with this harness. But in the meantime, I'm finna go get my sheet real quick. We're gonna cover it up, guys, but definitely appreciate y'all for tuning in. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all just stay tuned to the videos. We got a lot of videos in store. And yeah, man, that's about it, guys. So stay tuned to the next video. Got a video dropping tomorrow, man. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all see it's grind time, man. It's like 5:30 in the morning. You know what I'm saying? We grind time, man. We're gonna go ahead and take this motor off, set it down. About here, really. Set it down. So really, we can kind of look and see, you know what I'm saying? Well, actually, probably gonna have to leave it on there. Let me take the headers off. I need to take the manifolds off. Like I was telling y'all, this motor going in a 73. Don't. Photo. All right, guys. So like I said, it's like about 6 o'clock now. So man, I just want y'all to stay tuned. You know, trust the process. Like I said, we got a couple things we got to do, man. Water pump. Got to take the water pump, put a thermostat on, take all this stuff off. This the computer. So yeah, man. So if y'all watched the video this far, man, I definitely appreciate y'all, man. True supporters. Like I said, either later today or tomorrow, man, we will break this motor down, you know, get it somewhat cleaned up, looking good, getting it prepared, stuff like that. This starter body, this is a drive-by cable, but it's actually got the, I think that's the part with the EGR. So we gotta get a block-out plate for here, block-out plate for here, and go from there. So like I said, man, this is going into 73 73 Chevy Impala, however y'all want to call it. And we're gonna, you know, make it do what it do. And this is our first customer, so you know, I appreciate it. You know, you trust me with the process. So my main thing really is, like I said, that boat. We gotta have to get that boat out, man. I'm gonna try to get some pliers, see if I can get it out. It's just that one boat. If not, I'm gonna have to see. If not, then I have to get a guy to see if he can get it welded out, you know. But like I said, that's it what it is, guys. So y'all stay tuned to the next videos, and the videos after that, man, we'll be going to pick up the donk and everything. So y'all definitely stay tuned for that video. And this gonna be a long journey, man. November, December, hey, we posting, we keep going. So this gonna be a long journey, man. So y'all, I'm gonna let y'all see the whole process, man. Like I said, it's my first customer, so we're gonna try to make it, you know, best. So definitely stay tuned, guys. Catch y'all back.